Predator 2000 Rewind replacement. Okay, basically take out every screw that you see on that thing. All right, the bolts, all the screws. Take the screw out of the handle, the knob. Okay, everything, all these up top, everything holding this panel in here, around the back on the exhaust. There were 6 screws here. Take those out. Same on the other side. And then that's going to make everything pretty loose here, this whole frame. I'm trying to get to the rewind right here. So it skipped the line here. The line skipped the spool, whatever. Some kind of thing. I guess it was working its way out. Maybe it was never in right to begin with. And put a big gouge in there. I need to be able to get this panel back a little bit. So I'm going to cut the zip tie. Maybe. Okay, zip tie's cut. Gives me a little more slack here now, so hopefully I can get this panel to come back a little more. Yeah, there we go. Okay, nice. Got some slack. Now I'm going to try to get this whole top, all of this, to come up so I can get into here. This part won't come off. This is like there's back ends. These just spin and spin, so there must be a nut on the back of this. So I got to take this whole rewind piece off.